Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're gonna become architects, but instead of buildings, we're constructing something else. Powerful, persuasive arguments, brick by brick, right from the ground up.
Okay, let's kick things off with something I think we've all felt. You know that feeling? You've got this brilliant idea, this total game changer, but when you try to explain it, it just falls flat. It doesn't land with the impact it really should.
All right, so think of this explainer as your personal blueprint. We're gonna break it all down, step by step, showing you how to build an argument that doesn't just get heard, but one that actually, convinces people. Okay, first things first. Before we even think about laying a single brick of our argument, we gotta prep the ground. We have to pour a solid foundation. And in the world of persuasion, you know what that foundation is? It's confidence.
Yeah, and something that comes through loud and clear in the source material is this. The power of your words is tied directly to how much you believe in them yourself. I mean, the two are inseparable. So building up your own confidence, that's the real first step. It happens way before you even open your mouth.
All right, foundation's poured and solid. Now it's time to roll out the blueprints for the main event, the heart and soul of your argument, the claim.
So what is a claim, really? Well, it's way more than just your opinion, right? Think of it like this. It's the one central idea, the thesis, that you're trying to prove. It's that single, powerful sentence you want people to remember long after you're done talking.
And a really strong claim? It's got two super simple but absolutely critical parts. First, you just state your position. No fluff, just say what you think. And second, you immediately tell them why. So for instance, you say, we need to switch to the new software because it's going to boost our team's productivity by 30%. See? Position, then reason. Simple, direct, and way more powerful.
Okay, now for the really cool part. We're gonna look at two, let's call them advanced blueprints. And these aren't just some theories somebody cooked up. No way. These are battle-tested frameworks straight from the world of international debate competitions. You know, places where persuasion is everything.
So you can really think of these as pre-built models, tested under some serious pressure, designed to help you win. They give you a structure, a framework to just pour your ideas into, which guarantees they'll come out strong and coherent.
So you've basically got two main paths you can go down here. First up is the direct approach. This is your best bet when everyone kind of already agrees there's a problem and you just need to sell them on your fix. You make your claim, you show them the evidence, and then you explain the impact. Easy. But then there's the problem-solution model. This one is perfect for when your audience might not even realize there is a problem. So first, you have to convince them it exists and that it's urgent. Then you explain what's causing it, and only then do you present your brilliant idea as the perfect solution.
Okay, that all sounds great in a formal debate, right? But how do we actually use this stuff, in the real world, in our jobs, with our teams, when we're talking to clients?
Yeah, the key is all about translation. It's about taking the power from these formal frameworks and just dropping them into what the source material calls authentic setups. And what that really means is taking them from the debate stage and putting them to work in your next team meeting or sales pitch.
Let's break some of this lingo down, because it can sound a little intimidating. You hear formal rebuttal and you think, whoa, intense. But really, in a work meeting, that's just you thoughtfully addressing a concern your colleague brought up. Or a point of information, that's literally just asking a question to make sure everyone's on the same page. And the judge's adjudication, that's just getting your manager to say yes. See? The principles are exactly the same, it's just the setting that's different.
Okay, let's pull all of this together. Think of this as your final architectural plan, the 4 key steps you can take away from all this and start using today. It really just boils down to 4 simple steps. Number 1, start with you. Build your own confidence. Number 2, frame that core claim, position plus reason. Number 3, pick the right blueprint for the job, whether it's the direct approach or the problem/solution model. And finally, number 4, adapt it to who you're talking to and deliver it.
So there you have it. You've got the tools, you've got the blueprints, you've got the whole construction manual, from the foundation right up to the roof. The only question left is, what argument, what really important idea are you going to build first?